Hello everyone and welcome to another in our tech support series. Today I just wanted to film a really short video showing you how you set up your computer for one of our Zoom sessions. Now, we had a bit of a scare last week where we thought we might have to go completely Zoom classes for the next wee while. We've held that off for now because I am a business operating from home, so that's good news. However, if you are not comfortable coming to class, if you have to self-isolate, if I have to self-isolate, if everybody has to go back into lockdown, that may become something that we all have to do. So I wanted to record a short video for you, just showing you how to get your computer set up. There are two things you need to have set up. They are both really easy. You will know how to do them. And if you don't, I'll walk through it in this video. So the first thing you're going to want to do is open up our class website. So I'm just going to type the address because I know it, but if you open up your student dashboard, you will be able to find it there as well. So when we get there, we come to our homepage, which you will have seen 100 times by now. The two tabs that we are worrying about for one of our live classes is ClassKick. So I'm going to right click and open it in a new tab, and Let's Zoom. And again, I'm going to right click and open it in a new tab. So we'll start with setting up ClassKick. So in that tab, you're going to access this exactly the same way that you would for practicing at home. So I'm going to say, today I'm a grade 8, and tap on that link and it will redirect me over to ClassKick. So there we go. There is our class code is auto-filled, and I will just put in my name and click continue. And it will take me into my notebook. So what that means is that you will be able to see your notebook at exactly the same time that I'm seeing it. So you'll be able to see if I'm marking it up, you'll be able to see if I am adding links, you'll be able to access them right away. It's just going to make the whole process a lot easier and help us, even if we're not in the same room, to still be collaborating on this document at the same time. So here we go. Here is our notebook. The computer's very slow, I apologize, but there it is, and you'll be able to see everything. We will then pop over to the Let's Zoom tab, and in it you just have to select the day of the week, and it will automatically take me to the Zoom link. So normally for Zoom you would get an invitation. In this one it will automatically take you there. You have to open Zoom meetings. If you've used Zoom before, none of this will be new. And if you have used other types of video conferencing software like Teams or even things like Facebook Messenger and stuff like that, you'll probably have a fairly good grasp. So you can see here, I'm in my Monday classes. I can say I want to join with computer audio, and that will give them access to my microphone, and it will give me access to their sound that's coming through as well. So that is how we'll open our Zoom. So at this stage, what I would be recommending is that you split your screen. So you'll notice Zoom has done it automatically because this is how I always set my screen up. So to do this, you just drag it over to the side and it'll snap into place. And then on this side of the screen, we want ClassKick. So this way you'll be able to see me and the rest of your class in the Zoom window, and you'll be able to see your notebook simultaneously. If you have a laptop and not a big monitor like I do, or if you have other devices at home, you might decide that you want to look at things on two different screens. You might decide you want your notebook on your iPad and Zoom on your computer, or that you want to view your notebook on your phone and this on your iPad and your Zoom on the iPad. It is totally up to you. Use whatever you have. If you're working solely with an iPad or with a phone, tell me when you log in and I can share my screen with you, and that way you'll be able to see your notebook on my screen and my face. Does that make sense? Rather than having to open both windows and keep flicking back and forth between the Zoom call and your notebook. But if you have a computer or multiple devices to play with, this is a really great way of seeing everything at the one time and being ready for our classes. So I really hope that this was helpful and it's put your mind at ease. I've held a couple of classes now via Zoom for various reasons, and it actually works really well. It works a lot better than the asynchronous stuff we were doing last year. Hopefully, if we do have to go back to this, it will be temporary, very temporary, and we'll be back face to face soon. So as always, if you have any questions, let me know, and I will see you in class either on Zoom or face to face.